Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a web hosting WordPress theme named as FoxuhHost, which is totally amazing. Let me show you what are the features this hosting theme provides you, right? With the help of this hosting theme, you will be able to get 7 different kind of hosting layouts which you can showcase on your website. And if I talk about the demos they provide us, you can always click on live preview to visit the author's real website, and here you will be able to see what are the different kind of demos these guys provide you, right? So let it load, then I will show you what are the actual demos these authors are providing us. So I guess the website is down for the current moment, but no issues at all. We will try to install the demo on our website, and I will show you how the website looks after the demo content has been installed properly on our website. So first of all, we need to download this theme. So let me tell you how you can get this theme for a real affordable price. If you just want to try and test it out that this theme is worth it for you or not, this is the regular license key. This will cost you around $50. And if you want to get this for a affordable price, you can just come to our website and get it for something like $5, which is quite affordable for everyone. And if you feel that this theme is not worth it for you, you can always get a 7 days money back guarantee, which is the best option available on our website. Okay, so you just have to click on download now, and this theme will start downloading. So I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again, and I will just cancel it. So once the download process has been completed, we need to install that theme on our website. So let me guide you how you can install the theme on our website. Basically, you have to come to your website. This is my website, fresh website installed on my real domain, and this is the kind of subdomain. So we are going to install that particular theme on our website. If you don't know how to log into your WordPress dashboard, you just have to type wp admin just after your URL, and it will be redirected to your dashboard. Obviously, it will ask you for the login password which you have put while you were installing WordPress. Once you filled in everything perfectly, you will be logged into your dashboard, and you will see something similar kind of interface in front of you. So in the left hand side, you will see multiple things related to our settings, tools, user, plugins, appearance. So today we are dealing with appearance. Under the appearance hood, you will find themes. We have to upload our theme here. Add new theme, and you see a lot of themes available right now in front of you. So basically, these are the free themes which has been provided by WordPress by default. So what are free themes? Free themes are like free to use to everyone, but the thing is there are major difference between free themes and paid theme. Free themes don't have that much kind of functionalities when it comes to comparison with paid theme, and the uh, what should I say, the AdSense perspective is quite low. I mean to say the conversion rate in free themes are quite low because the bounce rate are high in free themes, and also mobile perspective and mobile view are very not much satisfying in the free theme. That's why I always prefer, if you have a real good budget to invest in the initial stage, always invest in a good theme. Find a good theme related to your niche and try to buy it. Okay, once you have a theme, then we have to upload our theme. Click on upload and select the file. So here is my file. I will select it, install now. So basically, installation process totally depend upon your internet speed. I guess this might show an error because I already have installed that on my theme folder. Let me check. So yeah, here it is already installed. I just have to activate it. So okay, once you are activated your theme, you will see some kind of notification like this. So basically, what is this notification? This notification says, or I should put it like that, our theme is recommending us to install some kind of plugins, and those plugins are highly recommended by theme to be present on our website, because if those plugins are not present on our website, then some functionalities which are within the theme will not work properly. Let me give you an example. If a theme consists of slider and slider plugin is not present within the theme, then the slider functionality won't work on your website. Okay, I guess you got the point, right? So whenever a theme suggests or gives a notification to install recommended themes, never ignore that message. Please install every single plugin which they said. Okay, click on being installing plugins, and we have to select all, and bulk action, install and apply. That's how simple that is. Okay, this will take couple of minutes. You just have to wait for it. I will also wait. Let's wait for the moment. Okay, as you can see, all the plugins has been installed completely. Now it's time to activate them. So you click on return to required plugin. Rather than activating it from here, I would always suggest you to go and activate from this section, plugins and install plugins, because this from there it takes some time to install all these. So once you are here, click on bulk action, and under that click on activate and apply. This will not take that much of time as compared to the bulk action which we were doing earlier. So let's wait couple of minutes, and it will be completed within 1 minute or something like that. Let's wait for it. Okay, as you can see, our all plugin has been activated successfully. So let's see how our website looks right now. It might be some kind of basic theme, right? If you can see, there is nothing at all, no footer, only a sidebar with a basic blog post and a header and no menu section. So now we are going to install a demo on this website. So let me show you where the demo is located. Under the tools section, which is on the left hand side, you will see install demo. Click on this, and here you will find a demo. So let's install this. Okay, once you click on the install process, I click here and okay. So as you can see, the installation is starting, and it might take couple of minutes. You just have to go and grab some coffee or snacks or something like that. Just wait back, sit, relax. It will be completed within couple of minutes. Then there will be a completely new website in front of you. Let's wait for the moment. So as you can see, demo content has been installed successfully. Let us see how our website looks right now. I will just go on my blog and let's see how our website looks right now. And here we go. Our demo content has been installed completely and it looks really good. This is a slider in which you can change the slide, and the slider animations is really very much beautiful looking, right? So if you scroll down, you will see the multiple plan which are been provided by our website. Like if you are selling a .com domain, here are the price, .in domain, here are the price, and web hosting plan are also visible right here. And if you pull down, you will see the pricing table has been arranged very uh, systematically, and here you will get hosting layouts and a lot of things, and you will get a professional looking footer as well. And the best part about this theme is this is also mobile responsive, right? If you see in the mobile devices, it is totally mobile responsive. So coming to the point, if you want to buy this theme, you can just come to the official website and get the regular license for $50. And if you're not sure that this theme is perfect for you and will grow your business or something like that, you can just always come to our website and buy this theme for like $5 or something like that. And if you don't like the theme and feel like this theme doesn't worth it for you, you can always get a 7 days money back guarantee, right? You can see it's written here. And if you're running a WordPress agency or you are a freelancer WordPress developer, you can check out our membership plan. With the help of membership plan, you will be getting a lot of benefits. Let me explain you how. If you pick our lifetime access membership plan, which will cost you around $350, you will be able to download 5,400 items per year, which is totally amazing, isn't it? And if you don't have that much of money to invest in the initial stage, you can just go for the monthly plan, which will cost you around $29, and with the help of that, you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is also good kind of. So with that being said, I want to wrap this video up. If you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.